Welcome to GeorgeWay Math TV.
So when you've been given square root of a number with a variable and a power, right? All you do is you're gonna split this. So like this right here that you see, you're just gonna have these two, they're different. So you're gonna have square root of the number times square root of that variable with the power. And right now you're very lucky because the 36 right here is a perfect square. Square root of 36 is what? Is 6. And then here we already know that whenever you have an even power, right? And you're dealing with square roots, we know there's a little 2 here. So you can simplify this to what? Z. And then you do 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 is what? It's 3. So you're just going to say that will be your answer. But again, you have to split it. The number and then the variable of the power. And then do them separate. But they're going to be together as your answer. Probably say, I really want to know how to do this really well. So please do the second one for me, George. So for this one too, all I do is I have a number and a variable with a power in one square root. I'm just going to split this. So I do square root of just the number 16 times square root of the variable with the power. And then 16 is the perfect square because square root of 16, my calculator will tell me is 4. And then with this one right here, I have an even power. And I know there's always a letter 2 right here. So I can divide these two. 14 divided by 2 is 7. So it will be out of the radical. So I have x to the power 7. And that's it. Now it's your turn. I want you to do some of these questions on your own, right? And the more you practice, right, that's how you're going to get better, okay?
Please don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell to be notified for new videos, and share.